So what are the key learnings we need to take up from this case? Strategic preservation of even one teeth, it is going to highly functional prosthetic outcomes even with the minimal abutments. Precision ball attachments can significantly enhance your retention and comfort in compromised maxillary arches. Tooth supported overdenture is going to be cost effective and biologically a superior alternative when implants are not feasible. Not all the patients walks in with, I want an implant to be done. Right? We need to have an alternative treatment option for such cases also, and that's how we are going to be a different prosthodontist or a practitioner when compared, because in a one state only 4 to 5 clinics will be nearly there, right? So we need to have an alternative and better solution to the patient that should be biologically, ethically also it has to be correct, and that's where preventive prosthetics has a huge role. Conservative designing by providing short copings in attachment can restore function, aesthetic and patient confidence, and the psychological impact will be surely enhanced. So there are few limitations in this treatment planning. I agree. There are few limitations. An unfavorable abutment distribution is there in both arches. Only 4 anterior maxillary teeth and mandible with 2 isolated abutments. Partially edentulous opposing arch create with an uneven occlusal load distribution. Diabetes was a specific cause where we didn't go for an implant apart from the cost factors, and compromised ridge form. So if I'm going to give this semi-precision attachment to maxilla and to mandible tooth supported, I need to justify my treatment plan also at the same time to the patient as well as to the forum, right? So the limited maxillary abutment solutions used up precision ball and O-ring attachment. It will do a semi-fixed kind of an working. It is not purely removable, it is not purely fixed also. So it gives a combination of both retention as well as support to the removable extension. Mandibular arch with only